DMK party leader Dr. Anubhamani Ramadoss, who has accepted the invitation of Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and has asserted his participation in the all-party meeting that is going to focus on the possible impact of delimitation. Remember, M.K. Stalin, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, has called for an all-party meeting on 5th of March to discuss the possible impact of centre's delimitation exercise and its impact specifically on the southern states. Let me go back to my colleague Varshini, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Varshini, so an NDA ally, PMK, has given a green signal, will be joining this all-party meeting. How do we see this development?
Well, absolutely true, because the PMK, the Patali Makkal Katchi, which is in the NDA alliance, has now accepted the invitation. The party's president, Anubhamani Ramadoss, has stated that, this is something very important that has to be discussed, but we still do not have clarity about whether the delimitation is going to happen only based on population or there are going to be other parameters as well. But still, if it is going to be based on population and if Tamil Nadu is going to lose some parliamentary seats, then we will definitely, stand against it, is what he's speaking, and he's saying that he will participate in this meeting and he will sit and discuss with the DMK and the other parties in the state to decide what could be the next plan of action for this. So that is what we're seeing at this point. And since we know that the invites have been sent to 40 parties, we'll have to wait and see what are the other parties that would be showing interest to join in this all-party meeting, because this is something that the DMK is now taken up in their own hands, leading the protest against the delimitation. So we'll have to wait and watch who else is going to join the bandwagon that the DMK is leading now.
All right. Thank you very much, Varshini, for the moment, for joining us with all of those details. With this, we will slip into another very, very short break, but more news and updates lined up for you on the other side as well. Don't go anywhere.